Hi everybody, we're on page 854. This is Unit 8, Lesson 2, and we're on Activity 2.2, as you can see right up here. We're going to start talking about statistical information, statistics. And statistics is about data sets, which is why you see all these data sets over here. So 10 sixth grade students at a school were each asked 5 survey questions. Their answers to each question are shown here. Here are the 5 survey questions. We want to match each question to a data set that could represent the students' answers. We want to start talking about questions that go with data. All right, so let's look at question 1. Flip a coin 10 times. How many heads did you get? All right, well, if I'm thinking about that, when I flip a coin, I can get heads or tails. Usually, I want to get about 50% heads, 50% tails. So 5 heads and 5 tails. But that doesn't always happen. I've got some variability. So I'm looking for a data set up here where most of the numbers are close to 5, are around 5, but there's some differences. So I definitely don't want, for example, data set A because nothing's close to 5, and I don't want data set B because nothing's close to 5. But data set C is a pretty good choice because all these numbers are pretty close to 5. Data set D, all the numbers are close to 5, but they don't change very much. And I think if I flipped a coin many times, I wouldn't always get 6 heads. So that means that I think my best choice for question 1 is data set C. Oh, that looked messy. Let's try and make that look a little bit better. There we go. All right, so now let's switch down to a different question. I'm going to let you do some of these yourselves, but let's look at question 3. What grade are you in? If you're asking 10 sixth grade students, what grade are you in? Hopefully they're all going to give the same answer. It's not going to change. They're not going to tell me that they're all in grade 12. They are not high school seniors. They're going to tell me that they're all in 6th grade. Every single student is going to answer the exact same way. So that's why this question 3 is a good match for letter D. All right, folks, I'm going to let you on the Google form try and answer 2, 4, and 5.